But how do I prove my innocence if I'm accused of sexual assault? in Illinois?
Remember, you don't have to prove anything. It's the burden of the state to prove that you committed the acts that you were charged. But it's important that you understand your ability to create a defense that's going to prevent the state from, whether it's in front of a judge or a jury, meeting that burden of proof, which is beyond a reasonable doubt. You want to attack the credibility. You want to, if there are alibis, if you have defenses of consent, if there's any opportunity throughout the case to cast any doubt on the testimony or cast any doubt on any of the evidence that the state's going to try to use against you, then that's what you can do to avoid the charge. But once again, you don't have to prove anything. It is the sole responsibility of the state to prove, but it's your job to create the doubt through your defenses.
So what should I do if I'm accused of sexual assault?
Given how serious those allegations could be, reaching out to an attorney is an important avenue. Depending on what you mean by accused, you're just hearing the rumor mill that someone's saying it, or you hear they actually went to the police, or they're just posting about it online. These can move very quick because, if you're a prosecutor or a police officer and you hear somebody saying they were assaulted or raped, that they're going to take that seriously. It's almost akin to murder for some people. So you need to start potentially having an attorney walk you through your options. I mean, if you are going to go in alibi defense, as we talked earlier, you may need to start documenting your social media and reminding friends, because if you hear that you're being accused of rape 6 months prior, it's going to be more difficult to find friends, find proof, find text messages to show I wasn't even there that night, or this is actually how it went down. So that's one big thing, is start preserving and creating your investigation early, but then also having an attorney potentially reach out to law enforcement, get an idea of what's going on, and how can we potentially put an end to this when it's just allegations.